This is the future of innovation. Discover Future Digital Lab. Learn, build, and grow today.
Love Beyond Tomorrow, Episode 25. The chamber slowly opens. A blinding blue light fills the laboratory. Ethan and Aurora stare into the darkness. Then, a strange crystal rises from the center of the chamber. The system speaks. Original memory signature confirmed. Aurora steps closer. Suddenly, the crystal projects a hologram. It is Aurora, but she looks terrified. She whispers, "If you are seeing this, they found my memory." Ethan looks at Aurora. What does that mean? The hologram continues. My memories were removed before the final experiment. Aurora freezes. I don't remember this. Then the hologram looks directly at Ethan. Ethan, you were there. The image suddenly changes. A younger Ethan stands beside a machine. Aurora is lying unconscious inside a chamber. Ethan reaches toward her. Then the hologram disappears. The system flashes red. Memory extraction detected. Ethan whispers, "Someone erased her past." Aurora looks at him. Then who did it? The laboratory suddenly goes dark. A final message appears. Memory owner unknown. Then, another chamber begins to unlock. To be continued.
Future Digital Lab is our choice. Subscribe and join us.